Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the section 3, Engineering Economy, BDA 40902. So I will present about our project, the business proposal. So we have choose our proposal project title is Mashing Potato Waffle. Yeah. So for the introduction, we will introduce about our company names is in video Sendian Berhad. Our business is focused at Batu Pahat. We have registered our company on 12th January 2018. So our business is provided the food, beverage, waffle, and another snack. So our specialize is we costume our waffle in different way. So for the organization chart, okay, there are 5 members in our engineering economy group, and I will explain their job scope. Okay, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Kamal bin Sihimi. I'm as a general manager for this project, and second is Muhammad Zamir bin Rashid as a marketing manager. Third, Muhammad Fikri bin Roslan as operational manager. Fourth is Azirah binti Kamal as administration manager, and the last one is Chalini Seta Anapropan Vasu as financial manager. Okay, this is our logo. Our logo in video Sendian Berhad, and this is our motto, one dream and big dream. Okay, I will explain about the gun work breakdown structure with the Gantt chart and the person in charge. So this is our WBS with a Gantt chart from week 2 until week 10. So this is our progress that we do, and we divide this test each individually. So for the introduction part, it was given to me as a person in charge. For the business proposal, we decided to give it to the female member, who is Zira and Chalini. And for the last part, we give to Tamir and Vikri voluntarily to take the product and profile analysis as the test to complete this project.
Hello, my name is Hazira, and today I'm going to talk about the process planning. And in our process planning, there is 3 flowchart under the process planning. First flowchart is manufacturing machine potato waffle. Second is photo paper, and third is seasoning and packaging. Okay, first I want to touch about the flowchart of manufacturing machine potato waffle. First, we need to melt the butter in the skillet over a medium temperature or heat, and then we cook and stir the onion and garlic in the melted butter that we have been melted until onion and garlic is tender. How we know the onion tender? We can smell. There is a smell that is good, and then we preheat the waffle iron to desired temperature, and then we combine the onion mixture with the mashed potato, flour, egg, salt and black pepper in the large bowl, and then we blend it well, and then the mixture that we had blend, we scoop about 1/2 to 1/4 cup, and we put the center of waffle iron and we close the lid, and we must cook the waffle until it change their color, which is from white to golden brown. Next, we talk about the flowchart of waffle flavor. First, we must buy the raw material from the grocery store, and then we heat the oil in the pan, and then we cook the material that we buy, which is chicken patty, meat patty, and an egg at the pan until it's ready to eat. Next, lastly, we're going to talk about the flowchart of seasoning and packaging. first thing first, we must take the mashed potato waffle and the chicken patty, meat patty, and the egg we that we have been done, and we have been cooked it very well, and then we put it into the waffle, and then we put the seasoning such as spicy, the sauce, mayonnaise, and then we fold it into two, and then when it's done, we pack the waffle in the paper bag.
My name is Charlie Sita and I'm going to talk about determination of machine ownership cost, operation and maintenance based on our business proposal of mashing potato waffle. So first of all, I'm going to talk about description and justification of product. So basically the type of business we are doing are food and beverage. The name of our company is Indidu Sindirian Berhad. Name of our product is mashing potato waffle. The color is brown, size 15 by 8 centimeters. And basically the target customer is officers, students, lecturers. And the packaging is a paper bag with the price per unit is around 4 ringgit. Next, we'll be talking about total ownership cost. So basically, the equipment we'll be using is waffle maker, magic pans, knife and spatula. Here is the quantity that we will be using. Here's the purchase price, cost per year, and also the total ownership cost is about 481 ringgit and 88 cents ringgit Malaysia. Now we're seeing the total operation cost. Basically, when we only have three operations, which is the worker wage, water bill, and electric bill. So this is the cost per month, and the total operation cost per month is 210 ringgit Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zamir bin Rashid. So now I will explain to you the estimation total cost per unit. If you can see in this table show the list of variable costs per month for 850 waffle. Because my team has decided that we need to sell 850 waffle minimum per unit month. Which is we can see in this table, they has raw material. We have 11 type of raw material that we need to make the waffle, and we have the quantity per month, and the price per 10 unit. Or why? Because it make us too easier to calculate the variable cost. Alright, so the next is the price uh, per unit and the total cost. If you can see, the first raw material is uh, flour, which is 1 kg flour, and we need minimum about 30 unit of flour per month, which is if we can convert it to the material per unit per unit uh, per unit of wafer, 10 unit per wafer, which is we need uh, about 95 cents. And the flour, which is the price of the 1 kg flour is 2 ringgit and 70 cent, and the total price for flour is 81 ringgit 81 ringgit for a month. And we can see we have to we need salt, that which is 2 unit for a month, potato 1 kg 20 unit per month, and black pepper, onion, garlic, egg, which is 30 piece of egg, and chicken patty, meat patty, cooking oil, and bag plastic paper bag. With this, we can see the total cost that we need uh, to make 850 wafer per month, which is 1,288 and 12 cents. My name is Muhammad Zamir bin Rashid. So now I will explain to you the estimation total cost per unit. So this table show the list of variable costs per month for 850 waffle, because our team has decided that we want to sell the 850 waffle minimum per month. So if you can see in this table, we have 11 raw list of material that we need to sell our product. Alright, so if you can see, we have raw material list, quantity per month, and the price per. Alamak, dia boleh batuk pula, si aku mali. Okay, tag 2. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zamir bin Rashid. So I will explain to you the estimation total cost per unit. So, okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tag 4. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zamir bin Rashid. So now I will explain to you the estimation total cost per unit. If you can see in this table show the list of variable costs per month for 850 waffle, because my team has decided that we need to sell 850 waffle minimum per unit month, which is we can see in this table. They has raw material. We have 11 type of raw material that we need to make the waffle, and we have the quantity per month, and the price per 10 unit. Why? Because it make us to easier to calculate the variable cost. Alright. So the next is the price per unit and the total cost. If you can see, the first raw material is flour, which is 1 kg flour, and we need minimum about 30 unit of flour per month, which is if you can convert it to the material per unit, per unit uh, per unit of wafer, 10 unit per wafer, which is we need uh, about 95 cents. And the flour, which is the price of the 1 kg flour, is 2 ringgit and 70 cent, and the total price for flour is 81 ringgit, 81 ringgit for a month. And we can see we have to we need salt, that which is 2 unit for a month, potato 1 kg, 20 unit per month, and black pepper, onion, garlic, egg, which is 30 piece of egg, and chicken patty, meat patty, cooking oil, and bag plastic paper bag. With this, we can see the total cost that we need uh, to make 850 waffle per month, which is 1,288 and 12 cent, which is
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mafiki Ruslan. I would like to present about fixed cost, variable cost, and total cost. Okay, so fixed cost, as you can see here, our fixed cost is the portion of total cost that remain constant regardless output level. So the fixed cost consists of Hamilton Belgian wafer maker, magic pen, knife, spatula, worker wig, water bill, and electric bill. So sum of all these things, we get RM 691 ringgit and 88 cent. Okay, this is for our fixed cost. Next, our variable cost is the portion of total cost that varies directly with the volume of output. So our variable cost consists of flour, salt, potato, black pepper, onion, garlic, eggs, chicken patty, meat patty, cooking oil, and pepper bag. So some of all these things also we get only RM 15 ringgit and 50 cent. Then finally we have to calculate total cost, which is sum of variable and fixed cost. The formula you can see here is TC is equal to FC plus VC times Q. Q is a quantity and we set up the Q is about 850. So we get the total cost is RM 13,560 ringgit 38 cent. Alright, so for the determination of break-even point and also profit margin, for break-even analysis formula, as you can see here, PQ is equal to FC plus VC times Q. So in this state, we want to find Q. So after calculate, we get Q we can get 349 unit waffles. Means that we can have this number of waffle to be set up. And then the formula for profit is PQ minus TC. Based on previous calculation that we find, now we get the profit. So we get the profit is positive, which is RM 1,687 ringgit 25 cent, which is a huge number. This proves that our project is valid and can be used. Thank you.
So I'm going to explain to you about our application of business fund. For the loan, we expect to make a loan from the bank about RM 10,000, and the bank is just for the interest rate it's about 7%, and we calculate it about 5 years, and then we do the cash flow. This is for the years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and this is a P, and this is F, which is 10,000, and we must find the P, which is P is our modal that we cut for our business. So how to find P? We must use the formula, which is F, P over F. So the interest is 7% and the number of years is 5. And we find in the table what we had got is 0.7130, and we multiply with the 10,000, and we got is 7,150.
So I will explain to you the financial planning. What is financial planning? Financial planning is the most essential part of businessman, which is deciding the total project cost, selection of wellspring, of financing, and preparation of financial projection, which is include cash flow, income statement, and balance sheet. In addition, the financial plan should be supported by description schedule for every fixed cost on, as well as amortization schedule for loan and higher purchases payment.
Evaluation of profitable of business proposal. So we are supposed to see the profit that we will be gaining. So in 5 years, we believe we can pay off 10,000 ringgit of interest of 7% when we take a loan of 7,130 ringgit Malaysia. So based on those values,
Now I would like to explain about determination of monthly installment. So for the loan, actually we get the loan only 10,000 ringgit with interest rate only 7%, which is we calculate it from the bank, and then we want to calculate for number of years, which is 5 years. So the purpose of this, actually we want to get the value of A, which is what value that we have to pay for 5 years. So actually the formula, as you can see in here, A is equal to F with the bracket A over F, which is A we want to get, F we have the value with 7% of interest rate for the 5 years. So this formula we use to calculate the value of A, and based on the table of economics that we have learned. So finally we get the value of A, which is RM 1,739 ringgit. This is for 1 year. So actually our target is we want to know for each month. So we have to divide it by 12. And then we got the value of A, which is RM 144 ringgit 92 cent for each month. So and finally our monthly installment for 5 years actually is RM 144.92 ringgit. So that's all for determination of monthly installment. Okay.
Okay, for the conclusion part, so I will simplify what we got from our engineering economy. Okay, we have learned how to plan our business smoothly using the application that we learned from the engineering economy. Also, we also get the knowledge how can we apply the engineering economy in real life. So in the term of achievement in this project, it has been successfully because we does not loss for our financing plan. For the engineering, as a result, we managed to arrange the financing plan with more detail. So based on the objective, our for the project has been achieved. Thank you.